Eminent Speaker Zoom session. Today we're going over Hoju. Ni Khunuregi, Mahija, Hashini Wisa. If I didn't say that correctly, please correct me, but I know there's a few ways I could go about that.
Yeah, Pinwaregi. Ignoring K or Ranges, Ya Perez Nonenge, Ojishana, Inihara, Wachana Jiga, Wakit era. Yes, Ideja Nige, Hachiwi Shunona, Ma Hojui Shunoje. Nonege K, Wajana, Rohashi. Waganin Wichamas Naga Do Naga Huning Rigoniade Egon Kira Pojui de Shonoje
Okay.
Iraiche da Shagwa Nakajane Reska E Perez Daga Kere Kagare Ya Perez name.
Hegun Made Mahoraju.
Kanya Wajunin Ara Naga Hinejra Goiship Hindeka Jade.
Okay.
Eske Kewajando Haundu Hudogni Wow.
Anything you could say about this? Who tended the garden or watered the plants?
Yeah, Ma Hojui de Shono Ego Hanach Re Hirakara de Shono Je Eki He only wa Hawirashke Hirasa Reske Oine Shonon Eki Woragia Ojishana Hongiragra Agoreja Mahi Kishere Nanko Wakana Eja Rohashi Eja Hajaire Aire Eki he only wa Hawire Hanachi Giazi Dalaga Kaga Haksha Eja Hahira Neja Aire Egi Woos Chingi Kwangaira Ni Wo Oine Shonoje Aire Nonegere Wo Chechi Egi Jagu Ma Ida He Kunhaja Hari Wo Nankajane Nina Ke Wajan Rohan Ha Niwi Shono.
Anishara Haiping Wiguzing. We have Wiguzing with us.
Chingere Yaki.
Yeah. You don't need that help.
Oh, Kao.
Ni Khunuregi Mahorajui. Sa.
Hichoke hara hunka higaire je ma hoju shuno. Naga hidekwa hara kijiraire. Jegun kira.
Hichoke daga hunka jagushano ujushunu.
Ahusak jago anagare hishke eske hoju shuno.
Okay.
Wichawas naga huni naga do.
Do you have any tricks or advice when gardening or planting?
Okay.
No, that's fine. Dega Husak Wajan Hishana.
Ke Wajan is ke Ya Perez knowing Nina Rohana Chkama Ona Geonki Ya Perez.
Okay. Quick question. Do we have a word for advice?
I think the word is rakumus.
How do you say? So number one, can you help me plant these flowers?
Khayo khare nagre iske waju shaneda hinakiti sharena.
Yeah, Ahusak, do you have another way of that you might be able to say this?
No, I probably pretty much use the same word. Khawayo khare nagre or Khawayo khare wojura hinagiji sharena, which is pretty much the same.
So, Dega Husak, number two, we're going to check the garden.
Ma hojula haishtadawi.
Did you help Wiha take the weeds out? What is the word for weeds? Does anybody even know? I know there's a word, but I can't think of it.
Ishke krije ke aparizni. Weeds anaka.
Rake.
Dachke, yeah.
Dachte. Aha, oh. Wianga dakiji shere dachte da
Oh,
rukaras. Pishana. Kapariz.
Probably Rushara.
Oh yeah.
Shara? Oh, right.
Washu washarana.
And then number 4, Dega Husak, the vegetables are looking good.
Ro chuna horo hojra pire.
So today is a good day.
Hamta e hampara pink chene.
Hamte e pinja here. Or hamte ham pinja here.